What's going on, everyone? You're here with Quick Math. Today we're going to talk about the most important part of financial mathematics. How much money do you actually have? We've been talking about how much we've got to pay in tax, what happens if our salary has deductions and things like that. But the really core concept that we want to know in real life is how much money do I have at the end of the day? What can I spend? How much do I have to budget? This is called our net income. We had our gross income, that's everything that comes in, and then some things get taken away, and eventually we are left with our net income. This is what we can spend. So our gross income becomes our taxable income after our charity donations are taken out, and also by any deductions. So anything that you spend that is essential for your job, you're going to save money on in the long term. And that's why they're in green, because you're saving that money. Then to take our taxable income and find out what we're actually left with, you've got to take away your tax, that's what you pay, and also this thing called the Medicare Levy, which we are going to talk about, but it's quite a simple mathematical concept. And then finally, after that's all been given to the government, you are left with your net income. So the Medicare Levy is 2% of your taxable income, and it's in addition to the tax that we worked out in the last couple of videos. So it's more money that's going directly towards healthcare. The formula then is very, very simple, because all we have to do is take our taxable income and multiply it by 0.02 or 2% in your calculator, either one. So once you've got that one number, this is just an additional thing that you pay to look after kind of the healthcare of everyone in Australia. So a classic HSC question is going to put all of these concepts that we've talked about in the last couple of videos together. So this one's ripped from the 2021 HSC, basically. I've moved a couple of words around, but it's a really good kind of showing of what you're going to need to be able to do under pressure. So the first thing we've got to do is find out taxable income. So William has a gross annual salary of $84,000. And he's got deductions, so these we're going to underline in green, of $900 and $474. He's not going to pay tax on these, so that's a good thing. So to find out taxable income, we have to take our salary or our gross of $84,000 and minus $900 and minus $474. And if you throw that into the calculator, you're left with 82626, which is quite a fun number. So we know that we've got to pay tax. All right, so we're going to find out how much tax we pay now. So if you're unsure how to find tax, go back and have a look at one of my other videos. But once we've identified the tax bracket, it's pretty cruisy. So we're definitely in this tax bracket, and we just have to read across. So 5092 plus 32.5 cents. Then our income, 82626, minus the tax bracket. If we throw that into the calculator, just straight across, our tax comes out to 17320 and 45 cents. So that's one thing that we're giving straight to the government, and then we also have to get rid of our Medicare Levy. And from our formula just before, we're just taking our taxable income and multiplying it by 2%. So this is 82626 multiplied by 0.02. That gives us $1,652.52. So to find our net income, we've got our taxable income minus our tax, 20, minus our Medicare Levy, thrown into the calculator, and that gives us, at the end of 1 year, we have $63,653.03. And that is our final answer. So for these types of questions, there are going to be 3 or 4 marks given to you for this. So as long as you've got what you are doing and really writing it down quite clearly, even if you make a mistake, you're going to pick up 3 out of 4, 4 out of 5, no matter what. So as long as you've got that clear working and really showing the marker that you know what you're doing, I guarantee you're going to find these okay. Thanks very much, guys, and I'll see you later.